Hey guys, Steph Willis here, and I am with e.l.f. Cosmetics today, showing you guys how to get this beautiful rose gold halo eye using the new rose gold sunset palette from e.l.f. So this is the old palette. They actually came out with new palettes, and you have this beautiful new window where you can see all 10 shades, plus they updated the formula on all the shimmers in here. So since there is a new formula in the shimmer shades in here, I have to show you how good this new formula is. So I'm gonna do a swatch of the old palette versus the new. So on top, we have the swatch of the old palette, and on the bottom, we have the swatch of the new palette. Look how pigmented that is. So if you'd like to see how I use this gorgeous palette to create this halo eye, then just go ahead and keep on watching. I'm gonna start out with this terracotta shade in the crease with a fluffy eye blender brush, and taking this all the way from outer corner to inner corner. Since we are doing a halo eye, you want the color to be even all the way throughout the crease. Now that we have our transition color, I'm gonna be picking up this rich red-based brown and start really deepening up the inner and outer corner for our halo eye. With a halo eye, you want to start in the very outer corner of your eye and really put the most saturation there, and then you're going to do the exact same thing right in the inner corner. I like to really hug my socket of my eye, and that makes this look a lot easier. Once I have the outer and inner corner, I'm just very lightly with my brush, not adding any more product, just going to go right through the crease so we have a good connection. And to deepen up our halo eye one more time, I'm taking the darkest shade in this palette and repeating that same process. So I'm just going to be stamping this on the very outer corner of my eye and on the very inner corner. Now that we have the depth that we want, I'm just going to take that same fluffy brush that we started out with and blend out any harsh lines. And for the spotlight, I'm gonna be picking up this beautiful burnt orange shimmer shade with a flat brush and packing this right on the center of the eye. And for the lower lash line, we're basically gonna be repeating that same process, just kind of mirroring it. So I'm gonna take that small shader brush again and pack this right on the outer corner and inner corner, just like we did on the upper lid. Using that flat shader brush again, we're just gonna pack this right on the center of the lower lash line. Now that the shadow is finished on this eye, let's go ahead and catch up with this one. So to finish off the eyes, I am just going to hit my lower lashes with some mascara. I'm going to be using the Smudge Proof Mascara. I love this one because it has a tiny wand for your lower lashes, but I've already popped on some Starstruck lashes for my upper lashes if you haven't noticed already. But I'm going to add the lower lash mascara, and then we'll move on to lips. Now to finish off the look, I'm going to be using the matte liquid lipstick in the shade Praline. So here's the final look. I hope you guys love it as much as I do. I absolutely love this palette. It has every beautiful warm shade that you could ever need, and it's only $10. You guys can pick it up at elfcosmetics.com, Target, Walmart, or Ulta.